welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the Bichos collection. This time, guys, it's one of my favorites. You guys know if you watched any of my previous unboxings of these guys, I think scorpions are pretty awesome. But this is the Indochina, or the black Indochina scorpion. It's pretty cool. But well, before we get into this, guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And of course, guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Coast's Parchinaire. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxing, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, with that being said, let's go ahead, let's get into this. Alright guys, so before we get into the magazine, I wanted to show you that we also got this to put the magazines in. And let's see if I can't fold it. There we go. So we have now another carton to put the magazines in. There's the side. And the other side is just the same. Oh well, let's get into the magazine now. Oh, but let's open this up. Here it tells you a bit about this type of black scorpion. It gives you a little description, it gives a bit about their habitats as well as other observations, and a picture of the slide, which I will show you in just a minute, as well as their scientific category or names here. And then here it goes on to talk about different types of flies. And up at the top it says, "I'm all eyes." Because flies' eyes are really, really big. Here it just says that there are tons of flies all over the world, and all different types and colors. Their main habitats are up there: mediate forest, gardens, tropical forest, all kinds of places. And I just love the artwork that's done in this collection. It's really beautiful. You guys tell me, what do you guys think? Tell me down in the comments below. And of course, flies get eaten by pretty much everything. Birds, frogs, snakes, everything. Eats flies. And then over here we have some puzzles and a quiz there at the bottom. And well guys, that's the end of that. Now it's time to check out our brand new Scorpion. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright, so here we have our Scorpion, guys. You can see very clearly his big pincers there, on his legs. Let me just turn it here so you can see his tail. Let me just get it in a bit better focus. Okay, and there you can see his stinger very, very clearly. It's very cool. You guys tell me, what do you guys think? I personally think that the scorpions and the spiders in this collection are like the most badass bugs in the collection. But you guys tell me, what do you guys think? As always, I love to hear from you guys. And well, that's the end of that. I think he's really cool. Let's see if you can't see his eyes a bit, but no. He's really cool though. And well guys, that's the end of that. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're motioning around down there guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And make sure to hit the bell, so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, down in the description below, I will also have the links to all of my social media. So my Twitter, my Facebook, my Instagram, my Tumblr, all of that linked down below. I look forward to seeing you guys over on there. And of course, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Parchiner. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does game how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.